Amazon recently introduced a game-changing section inside Seller Central called Selling Economics and Fee. If you are serious about understanding your true profitability, not just what Amazon shows you, this tool is where you will find it. So in this video, I will walk you through each option step by step: profit analytics, scenario modeling, revenue calculator, SQ report, and more. So you can see exactly how to use them to track, predict, and maximize your profit. So let's start. In the main dashboard, we can see the option on top: profit analytics, scenario modeling, revenue calculator, SQ economic report, fee and economics report, and additional financial inputs. We will cover them one by one. The first option is profit analytics. Profit analytics is a reporting tool that allows you to analyze fee, cost, profitability for the product in your Amazon catalog. It combines sales, returns, fee, advertising, and seller provided cost data to help you to analyze profitability at the SQ, ASIN, and parent ASIN level. Profit analytics provides the data for all active listings up to 500,000 listings. And the top, you will also see the option learn and more and rate this page. And below that, you can select whether you want to view data by product or by product groups. In this summary, we can see net proceeds, sales, fulfillment costs, inbound costs, selling fee, storage costs, return and recovery operations, advertising cost of sales, cost of goods, and overall profitability. So you can also change the date range, for example, 1 month, 6 months, year to date, maximum, or set a custom range. Right now, it is showing the summary for all the SKUs. But we can also create a separate group if we want to analyze some specific SKUs. To do this, click on the Create Product Group. Give the product group name, add description, select SKU, and hit Save. If we move down a little, we can see the same summary, but this time broken down for each SKU one by one. This is how profit analytics work under the selling economics and fee section. The second option is scenario modeling. Scenario modeling is a tool designed to help you to analyze potential business outcomes. It works as predictive tool and its accuracy depends on many variables, including the data you provide. It is important to note that scenario modeling does not guarantee specific outcomes. You are not required to save data to use this tool, and you can delete the data from it at any time. The information you enter is used only to model scenarios and to improve the usability and effectiveness of Amazon's service for your benefit. Amazon also follows strict data protection policies as outlined in their privacy notice. So your data is never shared with any other seller, including Amazon Retail. So let me explain the key benefits of scenario modeling. First, it allows risk-free experimentation. You can test multiple scenarios without real-world consequences. For example, simulating changes in inventory allocation, advertising spend, or pricing strategies, all in a safe virtual environment. Second, it helps with data-driven decision-making. Advanced algorithm process complex variables to provide accurate predictions so you can make decisions with confidence. Third, it supports resource allocation optimization. You can analyze the most effective way to distribute your inventory between FBA and Amazon Warehouse AWD, helping you to maximize storage efficiency and minimize costs. Fourth, it provides program adoption analysis, showing the potential impact of adopting new Amazon programs on your overall profitability, so you can decide which initiatives are worth pursuing. And you can model different supply chain optimization strategies to reduce costs and improve delivery time. And finally, scenario modeling gives you a competitive advantage by helping you to make faster data-backed decisions and adapt quickly to market changes and consumer trends. So let me create a new scenario. To create a new scenario, start by clicking Create a New Scenario. Step 1 is add your scenario details, including the name and short description. Then click Continue to select products. Step 2, now you have two options to selecting products. You can list products manually, or you can select from product groups. If you choose to select from product groups, keep in mind that the group must contain fewer than 100 products. So step number 3 is you can also create a new product group either manually by uploading a new CSV file. So step 4 is choose the action you want to model. When selecting multiple action, you can assign different action types of different products with your group. So step number 5 is configure and name your configurations. Keep in mind that some action are only available if the product is eligible. For each action type and product, provide the required inputs. Finally, save your work by choosing one of these options. Click submit to generate the scenario. Click save as draft to complete it later, or click cancel to discard the scenario. This is how scenario modeling works under the selling, economics and fee section. Now it's time to move another powerful tool inside the selling, economics and fee, the revenue calculator. Think of this as the way of forecast your profits before you even start selling. It allows you to compare fulfillment cost in real time between different methods like fulfillment by Amazon FBA and fulfillment by merchant FBN. A quick note for you, Amazon reminds us this is just a guide. The numbers you see here are the estimates, and you should always double check with the official fee listed in your Amazon Services Business Solution Agreement. So the revenue calculator gives 3 ways to estimate profitability. Number 1 is search Amazon catalog. If your product already exists on Amazon, you can simply search for it by SKU, title, ISBN, UPC or ASIN. Once selected, Amazon will generate an estimate showing you the cost and potential profitability of selling that product. So number 2 is define product. If you are launching a new product, you can manually enter the details. This includes unit of measurement, package dimension and weight, product category, item price and shipping charges. Once you fill the fields, the calculator instantly shows you cost breakdowns and profit projections. Number 3 is estimate in bulk. For seller managing multiple products, this option saves a lot of time. So step number 1 is find the product you want to estimate in bulk. Step 2 is enter your inputs for each program. Step number 3 is download the final report for review your profitability across many SKU at once. This makes the revenue calculator extremely versatile, whether you want to test a single product idea or elevate 100 odd scale. Now let's look at another key option, SKU economic report. In this section, we will cover SKU economics report and fee and economic review report. Fee and economic report is about the future, forecasting costs and testing profitability before it happens. The SKU economics report is about the past. It shows you real historical data based on how your product actually performed. So your sales revenue over a chosen time period, all Amazon fee and costs charged per SKU, and your net proceed, how much money you actually took home after fee. In other words, this report gives you clear profitability snapshot at the SKU level. Both have the same steps, but now let's go with the setup step by step. Step number 1 is select aggregation level. Choose the marketplace you want to analyze, for example US, UK or Germany. Pick the data aggregation level by SKU or by ASIN or parent ASIN. Finally, set the date range, last 7 days, 30 days or custom. So step number 2 is configure the report. Here you decide what details the report should include: sales data, storage fee base rate, fee data, fulfillment base rate, advertising spend and notes. Step number 3 is generate report. Click on the generate report and Amazon will provide a downloadable file, Excel or CSV. Inside you will find SKU by SKU breakdowns of sales, Amazon fee, storage fee, fulfillment cost, advertising cost and most importantly net proceeds. This makes it easy to identify which SKU are your profit drivers and which one might actually be costing you money. So in simple words, fee economic report is future prediction, and SQ economic report is past results. Together they give you a full picture of your business performance. Now let's move to another powerful option, additional financial inputs. Here is the deal. Amazon only know about Amazon related costs, things like FBA fee, referral fee, storage charges, and inbound shipping. But as a seller, you have many other costs Amazon can't see. That's why this option comes. By uploading your own financial data, you can make your reports reflect your true net profit, not just Amazon version of profit. So what can you add? Let's break it down. Cost of goods, COGS, the price you pay your supplier per unit, pre-Amazon storage cost, if you're paying your warehouse before sending goods into FBA, advertising spend, external ad like Google, TikTok, or Meta, and lead time, how long it takes from placing an order to stocking at Amazon, and manufacturing, freight, or packaging cost, or any other extra supply chain steps. Shipping into Amazon, what it costs you to move goods into FBA, and fulfillment cost if you sometimes ship orders yourself, sales forecasts, daily, weekly, or monthly fee expectations, miscellaneous costs, overhead like salaries, rent, or software. How to use it? Download Amazon's template file, fill in your SKU level cost. For example, SKU 123, COGS is $4, freight 50 cents, packaging 10 cents. Upload the file back into Seller Central. Once uploaded, Amazon integrates your number into tools like Profit Analytics, Scenario Modeling, and SQ Economic Report. This means instead of only seeing Amazon fee deducted, you will see your true net profit after all your costs are factored in. So in simple word, additional financial inputs are your own hidden costs. When you add them, Amazon's report transform your Amazon only to real world profitability. So that was complete walkthrough of Amazon selling economics and fee section, from analyzing real profits to forecasting future performance. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more quick, practical Amazon insights. No fluff, just straight strategies that help you to grow smarter. Until next time, this is Umar from Spectrum BPO, helping brands scale smarter on Amazon.